At the time of this recording, he's getting seconds. So, girl, you know, she did that. She did that. Okay, girl. So, we're here today making a very simple one-pan pot, one-pan pill, boom, ba, bum, bam, boom. We are making a meal. One pan, rice, put it on it. It's going to be good. This is Catfish. I've been shopping at Smith's lately. I don't know if you heard that little rant about like a Smith's and Walmart. I'm not really feeling Walmart anymore. So Smith's is where it's at. Good fish selection. So this is Catfish. It has a lot of protein in it. My husband has been going to the gym. Watch my other videos. And that's the baby in the background. And so we want to make more healthy meals, but protein-rich meals. And that's exactly what we're doing here. You have to make sure, I just want you to know, look at that. Look at that. You need to make sure that you rub that seasoning in. Whenever you think you're putting too much seasoning, just know you're putting just enough, okay? And when I tell you that these things right here, they almost gave me frostbite. Because when your hand is wet and you touch something cold, then it's a situation. It's a reaction, scientifical. That right there that I just poured on, that secret ingredient, check that out. Let me know if you do, okay? I put that in on everything. Yeah. Get that rice, get that fish, get that spoon, get it popped, okay? Let me know if you tried this out in the comments below.